Wall Street is trading flat to higher this Wednesday morning, the penultimate trading day of a remarkable year, 2020, of pandemic, recession, and recovery. Now, taking a look at the Forex market this morning, the euro-dollar is where we begin. That's supported by a rising trend line. The British pound-US dollar pair, that sees the upside prevail. This while the US dollar-Japanese yen pair intraday, that happens to be under pressure. Now, in focus this morning, the Australian dollar-US dollar pair, which sees the bias remain bullish, the pair consolidating but remains strongly bullish after breaking above a former resistance at 0.7620. Long positions above that figure are favored with targets at 0.7675 and 0.77 in extension. The Bitcoin dollar sees its target at 26,204, 28,225 the pivot point, while gold sees intraday support around 1874. Gold pulling back on its 50-period moving average but remains above the support at 1874. Long positions above 1874 are favored with targets at 1886.